Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize tables on Axiom. To get started, open Axiom and go to the SOL Discover page. This is where you can browse coins and access the detailed views that include customizable table sections. If you are following along in real time, give the page a moment to fully load so all panels and data appear correctly. Once you are on the Discover page, click on a sample coin. This opens that coin's detailed view, where you can explore chart data and related tabs. The reason we start here is that table customization happens inside the coin-specific view, not from the main discovery screen. After the coin page opens, look toward the bottom of the chart area and click either Holders or Top Trader. These tabs show table-based information, and they are the sections you can customize. Choose whichever one you want to work with first. The process is similar in both places, so once you learn it in one tab, you can usually repeat it in the other. Next, find the small settings icon at the top left of that tab and click it. This opens the table customization controls. If you do not see it immediately, pause for a second and scan the upper left area of the table panel carefully, since the icon can be easy to miss. From there, click on a sample label. This is the part where you begin adjusting what appears in the table. A label may represent a column, field, or display option, depending on what section you are editing. Selecting it lets you change how the information is shown, so the table better matches what you want to focus on. Now follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, Axiom will present the available customization options directly in the interface. Move through those prompts carefully and make your selections based on the table layout you want. It helps to review each option before confirming, especially if you are trying to clean up the view or highlight only the most useful data. When you are finished, click Done to save your changes. This applies the customization and returns you to the updated table view. Take a quick look through the table afterward to make sure everything appears the way you expected. If needed, you can reopen the settings and repeat the same process to refine it further. That's all it takes to customize tables in Axiom. Once you get comfortable with these settings, it becomes much easier to tailor the interface to the way you like to analyze data.